Hello, good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the Myprofsr Live School. Okay, to all returning students, it's good to see you all again. And let's see how many of you are here. Let me check. Okay, hi. Those of you who are saying hi. All right, while waiting for more to join. Now, as you all know, this masterclass is specially sponsored by Myprofsr. So thank you, Myprofsr, for this wonderful gesture. It's wonderful, isn't it? Because we are all able to connect globally from different parts of the world under one platform. So before we continue, I hope today you're all able to see me. All right. So as you all know, hello to all of you. Okay. All right. So as you all know, the current situation of the coronavirus is still going on. So please don't forget to still practice all the rules set out, all right, to maintain the social distancing. Make sure you're washing your hands frequently, all right, and using your hand sanitizers. Okay. And most important, this is really important, all these rules in order to maintain safety for all of us during this critical period. All right. And it's really great, even during this time, we are still able to meet and connect and continue learning and growing, right? So again, thank you very much to my professor. So, all right, students, and to all of you, I think many of you are here already. Can I get all a hand raise from all of you if you're here? Let me just check how many students are already here. I think many of you are already here. Hold on. All right. So, all right, students, thank you for the confirmation. All right. So, all right, before we get started, I would like to just go through some things. So students, as you all know, this is a learning class, all right? So please, no any chatting and anything about any games or any other thing that is besides other than the class, all right? So you can chat, you can participate in the class, but it needs to be regarding the class. No chatting on games because I don't want any distractions, and I want the class to go smoothly, all right? So please adhere to all rules and regulations. All right, we are going to get started. So today we are going to learn about how to calculate area of a shape. All right, students, so let's get started. I'm going to share my whiteboard here. Okay, hold on. I think my video got paused. Okay, so let's get started, students. So area of a certain shape, okay? We are going to learn about the calculation of an area. So students, as you all know, let me draw here. What is an area exactly? So I do, please forgive me for my drawing. I hope you're all able to understand. I'm trying to draw a square here. So as you all know, area means how much is the perimeter of the. All right. So let's see. If I want to know how much is the hi to all you who just came. Yes, hello. It's good to see you. I was waiting for you. Okay. So let's see. When we want to know what is the area of this square, this is how we are going to do, right? We want to see the length of here times the here. So the length times the width. Okay, so let's say if the length here is 3 and here is 3, so the area is going to be the length times the width, which is going to be which is 3 times 3, which is going to be, I got some of you telling me 6. What is 3 times 3? Thank you to those of you. Yes, thank you. Okay, 9 square meter. All right, so let's go through a question. Let me just clear this. Hold on, please. Yeah, thank you for the participation. No problem. Okay, so let's continue. All right, now, so let me just click. All right, now, for example, the area of a certain, let me, before I continue further, let me see, like example, you want to know the area of a particular space, okay? It can be maybe your room, all right? So your room, you're going to calculate what is the length of your room and what is the width, correct, students? So let's say if the length is going to be maybe 900 centimeter, okay, and your width is going to be 550 centimeter. So who can tell me what is the area of this space? Tell me in the chat box, students. Come on. Because area is going to be length times width. Length times width. So what is the area going to be, students? We are going to take 900 times 550, and that gives you what? Hit me up in the chat box. Yeah, very good. I can see some new students are here today. 495,000. Okay, I got some of you still under confusion. No problem. Before we continue, I will do another one. Okay. Now, how do you calculate area of a certain space is going to be? To those of you who are typing, I don't know, please look on the screen here. Area of a certain space is really simple, students. We are going to take the length times the width. So what is the length? If this is a square, what is the length of this square? The length is going to be here, correct? And this is going to be the width. So if the length is 5 and the width is 3, this gives me the area of this particular square, how much? Length times width. Tell me, students, come on. I'm giving you a simpler number so that you don't get confused. All right, to those of you who said, I don't know, that's not, is it clear now? Yes, thank you. You are going to take, yes, 5 times 3, right? Which is going to give you 15. Okay, I hope to those of you who said I don't know is clear now. Is it? Let me know, please. Okay, so now, whoops, sorry. Now can you see me? Sorry, my pen got hit there. All right, so now, thanks, you're also kind. Okay, sometimes certain things and shapes can have different sizes but with the same area. For example, let's take a look at this. All right, let's start with simple. For example, maybe let's start with this postcard. I'm going to draw a postcard here, okay? I'm sure you all know what is a postcard, right? The one here with the stamp where there's a picture here and there's some space for you to write here with a picture. All right, so that's a postcard, right? Where when you go to different countries, some people like to collect different postcards from different places. So this is a postcard. Now, how am I going to know what is the area of this postcard? Again, area of a certain shape is going to be the length times the width, right? So the length, let me say it's a 6 centimeter and the width is going to be 2 centimeter. So who can tell me what is the area of this particular postcard? So the area, again, students, I'm going to write down, if you are not clear, is going to be the length. And what is the length, my dear students? We have some young students here, okay? So let me just explain. It's going to be here, and here is going to be the width, all right? All right. So it's going to be 6 times 2, which is going to be 12. All right. Thank you, students. So again, what are we looking at here? I'm going to give you another comparison. Yes, thank you. Very good. Well done to all of you. So what I'm going to do here, what am I telling you? That some shapes can have same different sizes but have same areas. So let me just give you another example. Okay. Okay. So for example, let me take, okay. All right. Like I said, my drawing is really bad, but I hope y'all are able to understand. So basically, what is this? This is going to be a belt. To all you boys out there who always wears belts on your pants, this is going to be a belt, okay? So I'm going to give you like here. So what is the length? The length is going to be 12 and the diameter, the width here is going to be 1. So what is the area of this belt? Is going to be the same. Yeah, 12 as well, right? So what am I trying to show you here? That dust snow was a postcard and now it's a belt. And can you see it's the same? Yes. So it's still going to be the same, dear students, 12 times 1, which is going to give me 12 as well. So can you see here? This postcard, is it the same size as a belt? No, right? So different shapes can have same areas, all right? Okay, now let's continue. Sorry, I'm going to open a new whiteboard. All right, hold on, please. Let me open. Now, it has a same area, but it doesn't mean it's going to have a same perimeter. So perimeter, I will get into it later. Now, let me just go into it generally. So area is going to be the length times the width, which is really, really simple. And when it comes to a perimeter, perimeter on the other hand is going to be what? Like that's now we calculated the area, we are going to times the length times the width. So perimeter is going to be 2 times length plus the width. Okay, so for example, let's go back to the belt just now. Can we go back to the belt? Now, can you see what is the length and the width is 12 and 1, right? So what is the perimeter of the belt going to be? Now, let's take a look here. 2 times 12 plus 1. Students, relax. 12 plus 1. Very good. I got one correct answer. Guys, students, before you type on the chat, can you please look at the screen, please? I got so many. Immediately the wrong answer because of you missing to see this one. 12 plus 1, students, length plus. Yes. Well done, Zara. I got a. Oh, Zara, it's you. Okay, I was wondering who is that Zara. Well done to Zara. She answered me correctly. I only got one correct answer so far, students. Tell me, 12 plus 1 times 2, students. Come on, come on. Show to Zara that you all also know. She did the correct answer. 12 plus 1 times 2. 15? No. Students, let's do this together then. How much is 12 times 1? 13, right? 13 times 2 is going to be what, students? 26. Well done. 16? Okay, okay, yes, very good. So it's 26. Okay. So now, can you see This is 26. Okay, no problem if you are confused. Don't worry. Okay. Now, let's go back. Let's calculate the perimeter of the postcard. Now, let's calculate the perimeter of this postcard. Again, how do you calculate the perimeter of a... To those of you who are confused, students, it's going to be 12 plus 1, not 12 times 1. 12 plus 1 is 13 and 12 times 1 is 12. Okay? To those of you who are buzzing up in the comments there telling me it's 12, 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes. So please look carefully before you start. Okay, come. Now, all right. So students, can you hold on a little while? All right. Very good. Now come. So let's calculate the perimeter. Yes, chill, students. Why are you all getting so worked up? Relax. We are learning, right? Relax. Okay. So perimeter is going to be, like I said, 2 times the length plus the width. So who can calculate this perimeter and tell me again? So let's see. 2 times, I'm going to take this away, okay? Let me just erase this away. Okay? So 2 times 6 plus 2. Now, tell me, come. 2 times 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, students, is 8. 2 times 8 is? 2 times 8 is? Exactly. Thank you, students. Thank you for the participation. I got some of you telling me 18. Okay, very good. Well done. Well done to all of you. Okay, now let's move on, all right? Let's move on. Okay, now, come on, relax, be happy. Now, how do you find, let's go through different shapes, all right? Let's learn from, through how do we calculate area for the different shapes, all right? Okay, students, relax, we are learning, okay? We are learning, let's make it fun. Don't get upset with anything. So, how do you find the area of this particular figure? Now, I'm going to start with a square figure, which is the most easy one. Again, let's try. I believe you all already got it from here. So here is going to be 20 cm and here is going to be 20 cm. So tell me, how do you calculate the area for this one? When it comes to square, now, when it comes to the shape of square, is going to be this formula. Now, students, yes, well done, Dia, you got the correct answer. Okay, now relax, let's do this together. Listen, that now was a general calculation, okay, roughly how do we do that one, but for each shape, there is each formula, all right? So when it comes to a square, how do we calculate? All right, Lulu, I will call you Lulu then. So the area is going to equal the 20. All right, can you all just hold on? Don't type. Just hold on. Let me type first, okay? Let me type first. So, oops, sorry, I think I clicked. Whoops, sorry. When it comes to, students, relax. When it comes to a square, we are going to take the sides square. That's how we are going to do, okay? Because for a square, there are 4 same sides, right? 4 same sides. That's why we are going to take the sides and square it, okay? So I have 20 cm, 20 cm. So 20 cm, students, 20 cm. Yes, 400. So 20 cm and again your 20 cm, okay? So again 20 cm squared. Hold on, don't relax, students. Oops, 20 cm squared. I'm sorry, my pen hit it there. Students, can we look here? So it's going to be 20 cm squared. And what is the answer? I already got so many of you told me the answer, which is going to be 400. Very good. 400 cm squared. Now the most common problem, okay, for those of you who don't get it, hold on, relax, relax. It's really simple. I'm going to explain to you again, okay? If you don't get it, we'll take it slow, don't worry. Okay, students, when it comes to a square, okay, each shape has their own formula to calculate. When it comes to a square shape, because a square shape, we say it has four same size, right? Yes, four same size. So they have given us the size of these two parts. So it's basically each of this is 20 cm, 20 cm and all. So that's why the formula for calculating the area of a square is going to be the sides times with a square of 2. Sides square 2. Okay, it's going to be basically like 20 times 20 times 20 times 20. All right. Now, so 4 cm squared, all right? Now, leave the perimeter first, relax. We are going to learn area first, okay? Hold on to all of you, but very good. Now, I hope you all understood. It's really easy, all right? So that's how we got 4 cm squared. I was going to say that the most common problem that students have is not writing the measurement, whether it's meter squared or centimeter squared or square feet squared or something, whatever it is in millimeters or what. When it comes to a measurement of the area, you need to write that down, okay? All right, students, I am going to continue. While that, I'm going to give you a few minutes while I'm shifting the next whiteboard. If you have any questions to ask me, please ask me, my dear students, before we continue. Please ask me. Do you have anything to ask me? Hit it up. Students, whoa, sorry again. Okay, no, then let's move on. That is for a square, all right? Okay, now I hope you're all doing good there. Now let's move on to a triangle. Now, this is a triangle, okay? Now, how do we calculate the area for a triangle? Okay, like I said, I hope you're able to understand my drawing. Okay, when it comes to a triangle, now we are going to first see the height of the triangle, which is very important, okay? The height of the triangle. Okay, we are going to take a look at the height of the triangle. That's one important thing that you need to know. So yes, very good. So we will need to also see the base, which will be given to you. Example, I'm going to say it's a 3 centimeter. And then here, this side is going to be a 5. And this side is going to be a 5. And the height in the middle is maybe going to be a 4 centimeter. So how are you going to calculate the height of a triangle? Okay, calculation of the height of a triangle is really simple, students. All we have to do is we are going to take, not the height of a triangle, I'm so sorry, calculation of the formula, of the area. I'm so sorry for the confusion. We are calculating the area of a triangle, all right? So when it comes to a triangle, we are going to take half, and then what are we going to do, students? Half times your height and your base. So who can tell me what is the answer for this one? Okay, we will do it together since it's the first one. Times 4 times 3. Students, tell me the answer for these if you get it. It's a simple multiplications question. Yes. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry, seriously. So 4 times 3 is, students, how much is 4 times 3? I'm very sure you all know that is going to be 12, right? You don't know? 12 times 3? No problem. Relax. Yeah. So half times 12 is going to be, okay, I got some answers here that is telling me 36. No, my dear students. Okay, those are very young students. Okay, now Now, good try, Zara. Okay, never mind if you wasn't listening. Look here, students, I got some confused questions. I think it's okay. We'll go slow because some of you are very young. I do understand that. Now, when it comes to calculating the area of a triangle, students, the formula is going to be half times the height times the base. Okay? Now, relax to all of you. Hold on. Listen first. Listen first. Okay? Now, 12. So the height is 4 and the base is 3 and times half. When you have half is basically 1 over 2 times 12 is basically going to be 6 centimeter. Okay? Do you get it, students? Students, any questions to ask me? If you have any questions to ask me, please ask me. Okay? If you don't have, yeah, I know you said that, but we need to give chance to the others to speak as well, right? So I get some of you relax. Why are some of you so, you know, like I said, we are learning, relax, chill, cool down, okay? Now, what about this? You are going to learn this from year 4, 5, 6, and onwards, all right? To those of you who keep asking what year, what year, so you will be learning it soon if you have not learned it, because I believe you are year 4, right? Okay, now forgive me for my this triangle. Basically, this is what I'm trying to do for you all, okay? So here, 4 centimeters. So students, be happy, relax, smile, okay? Now, yeah, okay. All right, so how are we going to calculate? Again, put in the formula, students. Half times height times the base. So who can tell me what is the answer? Students, can y'all? Thank you. Yes, relax. Okay, relax, relax, relax. Okay, smile. Now, who can tell me what is height in this triangle? What is the height, students? Come on, hit me up in the chat box. What is the height? Height of the triangle. Height. Yes, very good. 4. Now, it doesn't matter whether you answer correctly or you answer wrong. It matters that you participated, and if you did wrong, it's okay. Relax. Listen to the new explanation. Yeah, all right? Come. So, half is always going to be there, right? Can you all see here, my dear students? This is going to be the height, right? So the height is going to be, how is that? How did it become 2 to all of you? Okay, I'm going to go really slow. I think there are many young ones here. Okay, 4. All right. Now, to my dear students, the height of the, what is the height? Can you see that I highlighted it red? It's going to be 4, right? Correct, students? And what is the base? The base is always the underlying one. Height and base, if y'all can see me, okay? So the height is 4, the base is 4 as well. So times 4. Now, students, we are going to write back the half. No problem, we will do it together. Okay, yes, so relax. It's going to be 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4, students? And then times half. Wow, well done. Well done. So half times, whoa, I'm sorry, I went off the screen. So 16 divided by 2 is going to be, hit me up in the chat box. No, 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 to my dear students. Yeah, I'm getting more right answers. Come on, you guys can do this. Well done, well done, well done to all of you. Okay, okay, let me just write, please. Hold on, please. Let me just write here, okay? It's going to be, students, hold on, let me write. It's going to be 8, right? Now let's try one more because I still get a lot of confusion from you. Shall we try one more triangle, students? Shall we try one more triangle? Okay, then we will go to a different one, all right? Students, relax, have fun, okay? It doesn't matter you are right or wrong. Relax. I'm very happy that all of you are participating. That's all that it matters, that you're participating and you're focusing. So well done to all of you out there. Well done to all of you. No fighting, no arguing. Relax, okay? Now let's try another triangle question. Okay, come, let me see. This kind. So triangles can be in many ways. Just now we saw was a triangle like that. Then just now was like that. I will show you all again, replay the screen. And now my triangle is going to be like that. Just hold on. Okay, again, I hope you all are able to understand my triangle. Okay, now, does it look like a triangle to all of you? Or should I just draw it back? I know you guys are really sweet. So come, let me just make it clearer for you all. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Just relax, please. Hold on, okay? Okay. Okay, I think this is better. Whoops. All right, so I think this looks like a triangle now. Better? Okay. Okay, thank you. You guys are really awesome. All right, so for this triangle, let's calculate the area for this triangle, okay? Now let me say here is 8 and here is 6 cm. Okay, now when it comes to a triangle, my formula remains the same, right? Half times my height times my base. So it's going to be my half here, students. So it's going to be my half times my height and times my base. Now, can you see the problem here is I do not have a base here, right? Okay, hold on. I didn't draw it. There is here given to is given for you, okay? Hold on. I forgot to draw your height. Okay, I hope this is understandable. This is 4 cm. Who can tell me in the chat box what is my height in this particular triangle? Yes, the base is 6 cm, you're right. What is the height in this particular triangle, students? Tell me. Height, students, I'm not asking you to calculate anything. I'm asking you the height only. Yes, some of you are saying correctly. Students, can you see? Yes, well done to Fire Tablet. You answered correctly. So can you see here? This is the height here. It's 4, right? 8 is not the height. Yes, so to all of you, relax, relax, okay? Don't call each other words. We are learning here. Come. So height is 4. Well done to all of you. Times the base is the same. Some of you already told me does not. Come on, tell me back what is the base. What should I put here? 8 or 6? Hit me up. Come on. Well done to all of you. Yes, 6. Okay, so now let's do part by part, okay? So half times 4 times 6. 4 times 6, students. 4 times 6. Very good. Okay. Yeah, this is fun, isn't it? So half times 24. Come on, you can do this. Yay. Well done to Zara. Correct answer. Hit me up, hit me up. Very good. Well done. Well done to all of you. It is 12. So I think the triangle one, well done. Okay. Well, I got some students telling me 1. How on earth did you get 1? Now, I'm going to allow you 1 minute to ask me some questions if you need to ask, and while I'm changing the whiteboard. Is there anything that you would like to ask me? Please ask me. Is there anything? Nope. Shall we continue? All right, so let's continue. You guys are doing really great. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, thank you so much for all the response and the feedback. Okay, this makes the class so exciting. So keep doing that. All right. Okay, so that's now we looked at a square, we looked at a triangle. Now let's look at the parallelogram. Okay, now this is going to be like that. Whoops. I need a ruler. Anybody can borrow me a ruler? Okay. Yeah, it's like a rectangle, but it's yeah, I wish you could come here too. Okay. So it's going to be the same thing, okay, students, is going to be the height and the base. So how do we check the height of a parallelogram? We are going to see it here. This is going to be your height, okay, before we do a question first. And this is the same one, students. Base is always the one that remains the down, and height is always like that. So how do we calculate the area for this shape? Is going to be really simple. The height, the base times the height. Okay, so the area is going to be the base times the height. Now, all right, so let's continue a question. All right, just let me open this one. So let me time. Yeah, very good. Well done to all of you. Yeah, if you could come pass me the ruler instead of me coming to pick it up. I'm joking. I'm really joking. Relax. Okay, let's try one. This one, there is no really much difference, so it's pretty simple. So let's try this and then move on to something a little different. Okay. Now this is a parallelogram, and I'm going to give you an example here, and you are going to calculate for me. Okay, you guys are really awesome. Okay. Now, again, when it comes to a parallelogram, we are going to take the base times the height, right? So the area. So let me maybe put it here. Okay, 4, and here maybe 8 centimeter. It's all in centimeters. So my dear students, who can tell me what is the area for this? Try. It doesn't matter it's right or wrong, students. It really doesn't matter. It's whether you participate and understand. Yes, yes, I'm getting right answers. Well done. Yes, very good. I think you all understood it already. So this shape is pretty simple. The little, yay, well done. So the area, dear students, going to be the base times the height, okay, which is going to be 8 times 4. Well done. And don't forget, like I said, when I see my students in exams, their most common errors will be not the calculation. No problem if you forgot, relax. Yeah, well done to everyone. It's the measurement at the back. When it comes to area, students, the measurement is extremely, extremely important. You will not get marks by just putting on. Thank you. You guys are really awesome. Some of you. Okay, any questions to ask me before I open my next question? Now, when it comes to parallelograms, right, some students get confused. So let me just make this clear to you all. Yeah, I'm really happy to have you all too. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, let me just see, give you an example before I turn. Now, when it comes to this part, okay, like this, let's say it's oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That really made me smile. You guys are the coolest students I've ever met too. Really. Thank you so much. Okay, now here, come. So this one you're going to do for me, okay? This is going to be in meter and 6 meter. Who can tell me what is the area of this? Tell you about what? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm getting some correct answers already. Wow, well done. Hit me up. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Well done. Well done. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. No problem. It's okay. Don't say you're bad. If you're bad, we will learn. Okay, we will do more practice. It's totally fine. Don't say that you're bad. Everyone is so smart here. So let me just, some of you are really very good. The answer is 54 to all of you who have answered. Well done. And some of you who still did not get it, please don't say you're bad. Okay. Thank you. I'm so happy to hear that, Dia. I like you too. Okay, now, so the area is going to be Now, the area is going to be again the base times the height. I do get some of you who are still confused there, so let me just explain, okay? Many of you are already getting it, so let's just re-explain for some of you again. It's okay. So, my dear students, base is always the down one to those of you, excuse me, who are confused. So, the base is going to be 6, and the height is going to be, like I said, whatever shape it is, base and height. Okay, base and height. Now, so it's going to be 9, 6 times 9, students. You all already told me. Yes, so 54 meter. Wait. Oops, sorry. Meter. And my dear lovely students, don't forget that the measurement at the back again, my cool students. All right, okay. Now let me open another question with a different shape. All right, now let's do a different shape. So we have done square, we have done triangle and parallelogram. Well done to all of you so far. You guys are doing really good. I'm so happy to have you all, really. Thank you so much for being such cool students. Okay, now let's see trapezoids. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Trapezoids. Okay, let's start with trapezoids. I was just going to draw that. So let's do trapezoids. Okay, let's start with one. Okay, trapezoids. Oh, whoops. I hope this looks like a trapezoid. We will do as many shapes as we can, students. Don't worry, we will cover as many shapes as we can. If anything is missed, we will do again, all right? Okay, don't worry. My professor is here. Relax, don't worry, all right? Come. So when it comes to a trapezoid, as you can see here, right? A trapezoid. So let me say, trapezoids is a shape with two parallel bases. Okay. Now, let me say if here is 15 inches. Yeah, relax. We are here to help you. And 25 inches, okay. And then the height is going to be this one, which is going to be 5 inches. Now, how are you going to calculate the area of a trapezoid? Let me go through with you all this question, and then I will give another question to try, okay, since it's our first questions. Now, let's first go through the formula. Now, to those of you who are confused, it's okay, relax, okay? So the formula when it comes to a trapezoid is going to be half, half, is going to be half times your base 1. Oops, sorry, my pen got stuck. So it's going to be half times your, whoops, base 1 plus your base 2 times with your height. Okay, now students, each shape has its own way of calculation and its own formula. Some shapes are more complex, okay? So when it comes to a trapezoid, what is a trapezoid again? It's a shape with two parallel bases. One base is shorter, one base is longer, right? So this is the formula. It's going to be the half with your base 1 times your base 1 plus your base 2 and times the height. So it's really simple. Let's do this together. And if you need me to explain anything again, I will give you time to ask me, all right? Now, students, base 1, base 2. Who can tell me where are the bases? Yeah, hi there. Hello, I did see you. So what is your base 1 and your base 2? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Tell me the answer. Base 1 is going to be your 15 inches with your base 2. No problem if you don't know. If you don't know, listen and then we will do together. Okay? Listen. No problem. This shape is a little complex. So listen for this one first and then we will do the second one together. Then you will get the idea already. Then you can participate with a correct answer. Okay? Now come, all of you listen. So I'm going to go back. All right. So half with my base 1, which is going to be here, and my base 2, which is going to be here. So 2 bases, students, and it's going to be 25 inches, all right, times with my height. Again, my height is going to be here, which is going to be 5 inches. Now, let's do this. Now, as we all know, when it comes to mathematics, I don't care whatever topic it is. If there is a parenthesis, we always do the one in the parenthesis first, right? Are y'all actually asking me if I'm okay? Can y'all see me? Is my camera on? Okay. Now, so half 15 plus 25 students, tell me what is the answer. This is a plastic. Yeah. Okay, sorry. My voice changed. Did my voice change? Well, I do apologize. I am having a little bit of... Oh, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me clearly? Please let me know in the chat box. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. My volume, I didn't disturb my volume. Okay, that's great. Okay. I thought you said my... shall I scream now? Okay. I am having sore throat, by the way. I think it's the connection. So 25 plus, yes, to all of you who have been telling me it's 40. Very good. Sorry. Okay, thank you. All right. Yo, that's so... Yeah. I can hear some of you asking Lulu to put your volume up. Lulu, put your volume up, Lulu. All right, students. Now, so half here, 15 plus 25 is okay. Relax, relax. Just look at the whiteboard, okay? Look at the whiteboard. So 15 plus 25 is 40, right? And then you are going to times it in. Now, students, half times 40 is what? Who can tell me? What is half times 40? Yeah, well done. I did see right answers here. Now 20 times with 5 inches is going to be, what is 20 times 5 inches, students? Well done. Now to those of you who couldn't see me, is going to be inches squared. Again, like I said, students, when it comes to areas, again, I'm going to repeat it. The measurement is very important here. You will not be graded a mark if you forgot that. So let's do one more, because I feel that this is a little bit confusing, okay, to some of you. Yeah, so let's go and continue another one. Some of you understood, some of you still didn't understand. So let's do another question, all right? Now relax. I am going to draw another trapezoid here. Hold on, students, you're doing great. Okay, now, does it look fine? Can you just give me 1 second to just redraw that? I know you guys are so cool, but let me just look more like a trapezoid. Okay, now, that's not trapezoid. Okay, now. Okay, no, I don't need drawing lessons. To those of you who offered, thank you very much. Maybe we can meet up after the coronavirus to have some drawing lessons. Okay, do teach me. All right, come. That was a joke. Relax, chill. Okay. Thank you. So here is going to be 24. Okay. The reason is going to be is actually the way because of my Hi students, can you all hear me? Yeah. Okay. Can I get the majority to type for me if you all can hear me? Huh? What is the next lesson? I will let you know. Okay, let's finish this first. Relax. Okay, very good if you can. So I know you guys, we have a next lesson, don't worry, and we will be letting you all know. So please concentrate on this lesson first, students. So now, okay, if you all can hear me, relax. Eden, if you're there, please adjust, open and replug your mic or something, because I'm here. I did not adjust my volume at all, okay? So if you can't hear me, please, yeah, log out and come back, please, Eden. If you can't hear, log out and come back, Eden. Log out and come back is the connection. So come, how do we calculate the area of a trapezoid again, students? We are going to take half times your base 1. Thank you to those of you who are letting me know, to base 2, and times the height. Okay, now I do know this is so terrible. Okay, now excuse my beautiful drawing. So we are going to take half. Now Who can tell me, hit me up in the chat, what is the base 1 and the base 2 that I'm going to plus? Please, students, tell me, let me know. Very good, thank you. Yeah, well done, thank you. That's good to know, Eden. Welcome back. Okay, so what is the base 1 going to be timesing with the base 2, students? Is going to be 24 plus with 16, all right? Times with the height. What is the height? Tell me. Tell me what is the height, students? Tell me what is the height? No, 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 we are not done. What is the height of this trapezoid? How did you even? No, it's not 18 to those of you who said, come on, hit me up. Remember I told you the height is this. Zara, height is here. Zara, height is here. Okay, so it's going to be times 17. Students, remember I said the height is always the straight one here. All right, no problem, we are learning. We'll do more examples. So 24 plus 16, students, tell me what is the answer. 24 plus 16 times half times 17. What is 24 plus 16? Don't you know what is 24 plus 16? 24 plus 16. Yeah, 40. Let's do step by step, okay? If you don't know, relax. I'm going to do another question, all right? Times 17. Okay, tell me the final answer, students. Tell me the final answer. All right, to those of you who are, what is the final answer? Half times 40 times 17. What is half times 40, students? Half times 40 is 20, very good. So equals to 20 times with 17. What are you getting, students? Well done, Zara. Well done, you did really good. It's okay. Now 340. Well done to all of you who answered correctly. Well done. Okay, come. I see there's a lot of confusion. You're really stuck. It's okay. Relax. To whoever who is using that one who is telling you're really stuck, I'm going to do another question with you, okay? Relax, come. I'm going to do another question with you students on trapezoid because I saw one student is really confused. So let's do another question now. Oh, this is also a trapezoid, all right. Now, to those of you who are stuck, relax and focus. Don't type in the comment. You are going to look at the screen, all right? So for this trapezoid, I have 11 here, I have 11 here, and I have 17 here. If I'm not clear, I'm just going to write it back. So 11 here, 11 here. Now, students, tell me, is the shape clear and can you see? To those of you who are having a confusion, please look at the screen, all right? The formula for a trapezoid, again, for those of you who were saying you're stuck, is going to be half times your base 1 plus your base 2 times your height. Is that clear? Anything you need to ask me on the formula that you are not still getting it yet, students? Now, so it's ready. Now, don't go back. We are almost ending. Don't go back. Very good. Well done. So base is 11 and 17 exactly. And half will always be there. To the one who was saying you're stuck, please look here. I hope you'll understand after these. So your base 1 plus with your base 2, it's going to be 11 plus with your 17, right, students? And times with your height. Again, who can tell me what is the height? I see many students got confused in seeing the height. What is the height, students? Well done, well done. Yeah, I'm really happy to see that you understand now. I'm glad. Okay, so the height, okay, to those of you who told me, the height is going to be 11. Now, let's do step by step, okay? Don't do together, you will get confused. 11 plus 17, students, what do you get? 11 plus 17? Very good. Yes, 28. Well done to all of you. Okay, times with your 11. Now half times 28 times 11, students, tell me the answer. Half times 28 times 11, what are you going to get? Yeah, I can see. Wow, well done, Zara. Very good. Now, come on, hit me up with the right answer. First of all, yes, very good. I can see some correct answers. Dia, Inam, and everyone. Some of you, I do not know your name because you're logging in from different tabs. So it's going to be 154 inch square, because this one was supposed to be in inches. I'm sorry if I left that out. Okay, students, anything to ask me so far? Were you able to understand? Yeah, I know it's, oh, okay. So I'm sorry if I called you that. Okay, students, anyone, any questions to ask? Hi, Tyra. Yes, thank you for letting me know. All right. Hi, any questions? Anybody need to ask me on anything? Please ask me. Okay, thank you for telling me your names. So students, I have something to tell you. No bye, relax. Okay, can you all in the future listen to me? Since no one, nope, you understand, I'm really glad to know that. I hope you all had a good class. So let's have a chat before we end. Okay, Potato, that's definitely not your name, I know that. Can I have a chat with you all? Can we get all students to log in using their name? If it's not your device, it's okay. You can rename your name later when you log in and put your name there. It's easy for me to call out your name. So some of you think that I said the correct answer, but teacher didn't call out my name. The reason is because you're logging in from a device and I don't know what to call you. And I keep telling Zara and that kind of names. It's because her name is Zara. I do know that. So students, please rename there and log in with your name, okay? And Fire Tablet, you have been logging in with Fire Tablet. Can you log in with your name in the next class, please? Okay, so Lulu, all right, thank you. Okay, students, okay, I'll call you Lulu if that's what you want. So, all right, can I get name from Fire Tablet if you don't mind? Because this student has been really consistent and I'm really happy to see you here again today. Fire Tablet, I called you Fire Tablet in the last class. What's your name? What's your name, Fire Tablet? Can I get your name, please? Fire Tablet. Can I get your name? Hi, Mara. Thank you. Finally, I got your name. Can you please rename and log in with your name so that it's easy? Marwa. Okay. So that I can, yeah, very pretty name. So please log in with your name. And to all students, don't forget, we have the English Masterclass tomorrow. If to all of you who do not know, please, the link is being sent. Yeah. Yes, Dia, you logged in with your name. So link for English Masterclass is being sent. Students, please come and join the English Masterclass tomorrow at 12 noon, okay? And get everyone, all your friends, your cousins, and everyone to log in and join together with you all. Please make your registrations, otherwise you will not get the link. Yes, so to those of you who mentioned last week, students, listen, we apologize. There was some technical error that we could not avoid, okay? Don't worry, this week class will be on as fixed. We have looked into all matters and we will make sure no technical errors appear. So please be there tomorrow, 12 noon. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing all of you. Meira, Zara, all please come. Link is being there. All right, thank you, students. I will see you all again next week for the mathematics class and hope to see all of you in the English class. All right, tomorrow, yes, I've told students, don't forget, tomorrow 12 p.m. English class. All right. All right, students, I hope you all enjoyed the class and understood well. Please let me know. Thank you, students. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Bye, students. Bye. Bye. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Register. Don't forget, register. Bye, students. Bye. I had fun. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to register tomorrow, students.